Welcome to Redwood Cafe Tours. Today we're diving into the friendship crisis. Here's a question for you. Do you see your friends more or less than you did 10 years ago? How often do you communicate with them? Coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, Americans are more aware than ever of the importance of friendship. However, despite this renewed cultural focus, friendships in the US are on the decline. Surveys show that Americans have fewer close friends than in previous decades, talk to them less frequently, and rely on them less for personal support. The pandemic accelerated this trend, but broader societal changes, including later marriages, increased geographic mobility, and longer work hours, have also contributed to rising social isolation and loneliness. We are witnessing a friendship crisis. Several structural factors are making it harder for Americans to maintain strong friendships. Today, people are marrying later and moving more frequently, leading to disrupted social connections. Parents now spend twice as much time with their children compared to previous generations, often at the expense of friendships. Additionally, demanding work schedules and frequent business travel leave little time for cultivating personal relationships. The result? Americans are now more likely to make friends at work than in their neighborhoods, schools, or places of worship. Despite these challenges, many Americans are still forming new friendships. Nearly half of Americans say they made a new friend in the past year, suggesting that opportunities for connection still exist. Interestingly, young adults are the most likely to develop new friendships, while older adults report making new connections less frequently. The workplace remains a primary setting for friendship formation, but social clubs, fitness activities, and shared interests also play a role in fostering new bonds. The pandemic's impact on friendships extended beyond social distancing. It took a significant emotional toll. Many Americans reported losing touch with close friends, and young women in particular were disproportionately affected. Women also reported feeling a greater need for emotional support from friends compared to men. While technology helps people stay in touch, digital communication often lacks the depth of in-person interactions, making it difficult to rebuild lost connections or deepen existing friendships. One way to counteract friendship decline is through shared experiences, especially travel. Small group tours provide the perfect environment for making meaningful connections. Unlike solo travel or large impersonal tours, small group experiences encourage deep conversations, shared adventures, and a sense of camaraderie. When people explore new destinations together, they bond over common interests, challenges, and memorable moments, laying the foundation for lasting friendships. Why small group tours foster friendships? Traveling in a small group offers unique opportunities for connection. Exploring a new country together fosters shared experiences that create natural conversation starters and deepen relationships. Unlike workplace friendships, which often remain surface level, travel-based friendships develop in immersive, meaningful ways. From trying new foods to navigating foreign cultures, travelers rely on each other, building trust and companionship along the way. For many, these connections last long after the trip ends. As Americans look for ways to rebuild their social lives, travel presents an exciting opportunity. Instead of waiting for friendships to form organically, taking part in a small group tour offers a structured yet natural setting for meaningful interactions. Whether it's exploring the streets of Tokyo, sharing a meal in Sicily, or witnessing cherry blossoms in Kyoto, these shared experiences create friendships that transcend daily life. For those seeking to reconnect with others, travel isn't just an escape. It's a path back to meaningful human connection. Thanks again for watching this video. Now it's time to make friends. Look for your future trip on redwoodcafetours.com. Book your next trip as soon as you can.